up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Life with Sid. Today's video is going to be a unboxing video. I got in a shipment today. I will be unboxing, drum roll please, some Jordan 1's. So before I unbox these Jordans, let me just talk about how long I've been collecting sneakers for years. But I had took a break from buying Jordans. I don't know, it was just, I wasn't really feeling the Jordans like that for a while. But they starting to grow on me again. Before every release, I just had to have a pair of Jordans. Had to have the Jordans every time they came out. Then I just stopped, and I haven't bought a pair of Jordans in over, let me see. I think the last pair of Jordans I bought was probably in 2014. Yeah, probably 2014 was the last time I bought a pair of Jordans. I was still buying sneakers, I just wasn't buying Jordans. But I just started, like last year, I started looking like at the Jordan 1's when the Pine Greens came out, and I missed the release because I deleted like all my apps and stuff like that, and I just was like buying I was just buying Yeezys or whatever and like other stuff. But when the Pine Greens came out, I seen them on Instagram and I was like, yo, those are fire. And I was like, I wonder how they'll look on my feet, because I never had a pair of 1's. I had 2's, I had 4's, 5's, which are my favorite, 11's, everything. I never owned a pair of 1's. So, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order a pair of those Pine Greens. And ever since then, I just been looking like I want to get them. So I finally ordered me a pair, and they just came in yesterday. So I was like, I'm gonna have to do an unboxing because it's like re-popping my Jordan cherry, I guess that's what I want to say. Yes, so here we go. Let's see how these look. Yes, look at, I don't know, this combo, this green with the black, and I ordered these from FlightClub. Got the little FlightClub sticker, that little tag. They smell good. They're so cute. And they still come with a little Jordan sticker. They always used to come with that. I probably have so many of these in my closet. And they come with red laces as well, which I don't think I'm gonna wear the red laces. I think that's a bit much. Yes, these are the Pine Greens. The green on the bottom. These are official. I just love the toe box, like how it's that, it's like grainy type of leather. Yeah, I can see me rocking these. I'm gonna see if I'm I'll probably do a couple more shots. Yeah, so I think I should do a Jordan collection. Let me know what y'all think, if I should do a Jordan collection, dust off all my Jordans, my OG Jordans, and show you all my collection. But I think my next one is probably going to be the shutter backboards 3.0s. This is the orange with the black patent. I think they hot too. I think I just seen my niece, she got a pair of those for her birthday, and they're official. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cop those next. I really like these, so I'm gonna try these on, take a couple shots and a couple more shots, and let me know what y'all think. Oh, wait a minute, did you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so when I upload videos like this, you can be the first to see it? It's my thumbnail. I'll do a thumbnail while I'm waiting for you to hit that. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna do a couple more shots. And if you didn't see my recent video when I did a Yeezy collection. You can check it out. I'm gonna put it up here so you can check that out. But thanks for stopping by for my little unboxing. I know this was like a little quick video, but that's all I have for today. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna do a Zora try on haul. I ordered some stuff from Zora and it came in, so I will be definitely trying everything on and taking some shots. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for liking my video and subscribing to my channel. So if you like videos like this, unboxing videos, this is what my channel is all about. Unboxing, sneaker collection, fashion, luxury hauls. I think that's what I'm gonna do next too. I have to do a nice little luxury haul of my bag collection. So if you like this, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I know I said it 100 times, but please subscribe. And till next time, peace.